Welcome to KBTE Teacher Education Channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss about what is the introduction, meaning and concept of curriculum, especially related to language. Curriculum plays a vital role in realizing the aims, objectives of methodology of teaching, teaching aids, and evaluation techniques. So, here realizing means what? In achieving the aims and objectives of methodology of teaching, teaching aids, evaluation technique. Because when you prepare a curriculum preparation is going to take place based on the aims and objectives of methodology, based on the teaching aids, and based on the evaluation techniques. In teaching learning process, methods of teaching any language, any subject, which are going to play an important role. For example, in English, different methods, different approaches, different techniques we are going to use to teach English language inside the classroom at higher level. But here, when in preparation of curriculum, there is concentration on different methods of teaching of all subjects. Next, for the purpose of teaching not only English, all subjects, teaching learning material, which is also called as in short form TLM, which are going to play an important role. So in curriculum preparation also, there is concentration on preparation of teaching aid also. Because for the purpose of making teaching learning effective, whatever methods, approaches, techniques as a teacher you are going to use inside the classroom, you are going to take the support of teaching learning material to make the learners understand the concept in effective manner. At the same time, in construction of the curriculum, evaluation techniques also going to play important role, because in teaching learning process, to know that whatever concept you are teaching inside the classroom, whether that concept is understood by the students or not, by concentrating on that area, what is going to play an important role? Evaluation, which is nothing but assessment. Whatever techniques we are going to use, those techniques are going to play an important role. So for the purpose of achieving or realizing all these areas, what is going to play an important role? Curriculum is going to play an important role. Curriculum is nothing but which is going to be prepared by concentrating on the all areas, curricular activities, co-curricular activities. By concentrating on all these areas, there is a possibility of preparation of the curriculum. So here, when you concentrate on the etymological meaning of the curriculum, the word curriculum is derived from the Latin word carrere, which means race course or runway. Here, one analogy is there, quotation is there. Race course is the path of progress. In race course, jockey is going to be there, horse is going to be there. Jockey means what? The person who is going to ride the horse, that person is going to called as jockey. Next, horse. So here, if you apply this quotation or analogy in teaching learning process, especially for teacher and students, here horse means what? Is the pupil and jockey is the teacher. Yes, sir. It means the path of the progress of the students under the guidance of his teacher. Progress of the teacher, a student, is going to depend upon the guidance of the teacher itself only. So that's why here curriculum is an index of a textbook. In a textbook, in first page, what will be there? Index will be there. So that index is called as curriculum. Within the textbook, whatever syllabus is prescribed by covering all areas, that area is going to be called as curriculum. Then what is the concept of curriculum? Earlier only the reading material which is available in the textbook used to be considered the curriculum. Whatever material which is available in the textbook, so that is called as curriculum earlier. But now the definition means that curriculum definition includes all those activities that takes place in and outside the classroom for the whole development, means that all round development of the child. Those all areas are going to be considered curriculum. So the concept of curriculum can be understood, can be represented by using one of the diagram which is going to play important role to understand what is curriculum. In school, in and outside the classroom, whatever activities are going to take place for the purpose of all-round development of the child, those areas are going to be called as curriculum. So here, for the purpose of understanding curriculum, we need to know what is the diagram which is going to play important role understanding what is a curriculum. So here, curriculum is going to describe about objectives. Curriculum will be prepared based on evaluation. Curriculum will be prepared by covering co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Curriculum is going to be prepared by concentrating on the methods of instruction and teaching learning material. Curriculum is going to be prepared by concentrating on syllabus and textbook. And last one, whatever learning experiences which are going to take place in and outside the classroom, whatever guidance is going to take place, whatever counseling is going to take place, all these areas are going to be included in curriculum, which means curriculum is going to be cover all areas in and outside the classroom. It may be textbook, it may be syllabus, it may be objectives, it may be evaluation, it may be co-curricular and extracurricular activities, it may be curricular activities, it may be methods of instructional and teaching material, means that how we are going to teach inside the classroom, whatever teaching learning material which we are going to use to teach effectively inside the classroom, whatever learning experiences children are going to get in and outside the classroom, whatever guidance and counseling which is going to take place in and outside the classroom, all these things are going to be covered in curriculum. If you are going to understand all these things, then you are going to understand easily what is curriculum. In teaching learning process, for the purpose of all-round development of the child, curriculum is going to play an important role. So this is about introduction of curriculum, etymological meaning of the curriculum, and what is the concept of curriculum. In next video, we will discuss about what are the principles of curriculum construction. Thank you.